Let's get started. Take default cube, add subdivision surface modifier, then select the bottom face and inset it, and then extrude it for neck and torso. Now add a loop cut in the middle and delete one half. Then add a mirror modifier. Select the side face and extrude it, and add a loop cut. Then select the face and extrude it for arms. One more extrusion for thumb. Now select the bottom face of pelvic and extrude it for legs. Scale it accordingly and add a loop cut for foot. Now place cursor on the bottom vertices, press O for proportional editing, scale it on y-axis. Select and extrude the face for foot. Add a loop cut in torso and one loop cut in arm. Now select the vertices, place cursor and set the transform point to 3D cursor. Then select these vertices and rotate. Now I quickly show you how I make clothes. For shirt, just select the face required and apply all modifiers. Now in edit mode, shift D to duplicate and press P to separate selection. Let's add a solidify modifier, increase the thickness and right click and shade smooth so you can create your own character. Thank you.